MLA ka Mawlai ba abra starwell marbanyang ula Wanrah ka 0 hour notice halor ka jingkhang lot ki Dukan hajaka penyang bos ha interstate bus terminal Mawyong nakadaw bam 1 poishu ki bos haba jubab halor ka ne usembut menteri rangba Khuborjylla ba snya bhalang dhar ula pentip ba ha ka sautarek naitung kaladon ka jingalang halor ketika isu ulaya thu ru ba ka sorkar kala kren ru halor ka jingdu jong ki tu ki bashim wai ya ki te ki Dukan badon ha Isbt
before me, and I feel that it is my responsibility to place it before the House and before the government to look into this matter. Because as we are all aware that Isbt was inaugurated in the year 2021, none other than the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, Mr. Amit Shah, and with high hopes that this Isbt, one of the reasons that this Isbt was constructed at Mawyong Rim is to decongest Shillong city. And at the same time, through the Isbt, it has helped many local vendors who have been given to run small shops near and within the Isbt. But then, sad to say, that presently, for the past 9 months, the Isbt is still closed. And therefore, I would like to place before the government whether is there any plan on the part of the government to help these shop owners and others for the loss of their livelihood in the form of income that derive from these shops that is there in Isbt. And another point that I would like to place on record before the government is that the government do the government plans to fully utilize the Isbt even when with the non-arrival of the buses in these bus terminal. In fact, with the non-arrival of buses in the Isbt, this Isbt, it has become a ghost building. And I fear that in days to come, it will lead to many anti-social elements. And therefore, I would like to know from the government whether any steps has been taken by the government to see to it that these facilities, the Isbt, where 48 crores have been spent, is fully utilized for the benefit of the general public at large. So with this submission, I will resume my seat. Thank you.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Madam Chairman, I am very thankful to the Honourable Member Sri Bright Starwell Marbanyang, MLA from Mawlai, for raising these issues of closure of shop in Isbt, Shillong, in this August House through 0 hour notice. Sir, this House informed the news item published in Unong Sanhima dated 24 May 2024 under the captions of Khang Dukan Isbt Bam 1 Poishu Ki Bos in related to the closure of shop in Isbt Shillong. The construction of the interstate bus terminus at Mawlai Mawyong was approved on January 28, 2013 by the Donor Ministry through the Northeastern Council with an approval cost of 48.31 crore, and the project was funded on the basis of 90:10 cost sharing basis, with the NEHU contribute 43.48 crore and the state government of Meghalaya providing 4.83 crores. The terminus spans at 53,041.74 square meter and is designed to serve passenger traveling from Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, and other states as well, acting as key alignments and boarding points for those bound for Shillong. The Isbt is equipped with a bus bay that allows for the smooth roll-ins and roll-out of buses, making it easily accessible to passengers while also helping to reduce the vehicular conditions in the Shillong city as well. The interstate bus terminal Shillong was inaugurated by Sri Amit Shah, the Honorable Union Home Minister of India, on July 24, 2021, and it was officially made operational from April 1, 2022. The facility was handed over to the Meghalaya Transport Corporation by the Transport Department to oversee its operations. Before the closure of the Umiam Bridge, a total of 29 interstate buses operated from the interstate bus terminus in Shillong. These include 12 buses run by the State Transport Corporations, 6 by Meghalaya Transport Corporations, MTC, and 6 by the Assam State Transport Corporations, ASTC, and the Arunachal Pradesh State Transport Corporations. Additionally, 17 buses were operated by the private operators. At Isbt Shillong, there were 22 occupied shops and facilities, with 12 remaining unoccupied. And the remaining unoccupied shop tendering for the unoccupied shop has been kept in abeyance due to the closure of operation in Isbt. The total rent collected from tenants since the inception of Isbt until March 2024 amounted to 30,20,515. The monthly rent collection from the shop before the closure of the Umiam Bridge was 5,08,328 rupees per month approximately. However, due to the closure of the Umiam Bridge with effect of 31st March 2024, except those operated by the MTC, have ceased operation from Isbt Shillong and currently operating from the Barapani. And as a result of the reduced passenger traffic and the footfall, all shop facilities within the Isbt have closed down. I would like to inform the honourable member, a meeting was held on July 4, 2024 at Isbt Shillong, chaired by the Managing Director of the Meghalaya Transport Corporation, to address the concern raised by the tenants regarding the rent during the closure and of the Umiam Bridge. And it was the fact that there is a huge loss with the house rent and with the house owner. And I would like to assure honourable members, we will consider it, we will waive, especially for the house and for those during this closure time. And the other point mentioned by the honourable member, now we are having a meeting from time to time to discuss with the house, with the tenant there, how to help them. Yes, they are great loss, we know very well. And as the government, also at the same time, we are trying how to restart the business again. Yes, we know that as of now, the bridge is still closed. And even there is one road from along the Mawlai bypass, which has been implemented by PWD towards the Shillong bypass, which is just near the airport. And even this also, we are having a meeting with the PWD to speed up the roads. Even if this road is completed, this is another solution which will be quickly we can resume the business which is in Isbt. And further, the state government holding a meeting with private bus operator to restart their operation from Isbt. And the state government is considering, just like what I said, to waive even the parking fees, not only the house rent. So the state government is working on a plan to restart operations of the interstate buses from Isbt in due course of time. And all the points suggested and the concern by the honourable members, I would like to assure that as possible as we can, even we'll be having meeting from time to time with the house owner and the parking, and we will try to waive as possible as we can from the government side. So with these few clarifications, I will resume my seat.